When getting your car serviced or repaired, information is vital because the information that you give the service advisor at the front counter, the more that you can tell him, the better, because his job is to take what you're telling him, apply it to his knowledge of vehicles, and then translate that to the technician of what needs to be checked. Just like going to your doctor, you wouldn't go in and tell him what needs to be done. Same way when you have your car repaired. You want to give them the information what the car is doing. For some reason, men don't like to make the silly little noises, but most of our female customers will, and believe it or not, that really helps us get to the root of the problem. Nowadays, it's so easy to record it. So take your cell phone out. Technology we have nowadays, it makes it a lot easier to make repairs like that. One concern with customers a lot of times is going into a shop that they don't know and being upsold or sold things that they don't need. And unfortunately, in the past, that has been a problem in our industry. The good thing is, as technically advanced as vehicles are nowadays, a lot of those people have not been able to stay in business, but it's never offensive or should not be offensive to any automotive shop if the customer would like a second opinion or like to be shown the component. So don't be afraid to ask for that. Another key to having your car repaired properly, efficiently, is do your legwork before you have a problem. If you have a shop in your area or someone you've gotten a good recommendation on and you feel like that's where you want to do business, go in, meet the people, maybe have your car serviced and oil change done. Then when you do have a problem, they already have a baseline on your car, they know you, and it's going to speed up the process. First of all, to find a good reputable shop, ask around if you have time to do that. Try to find a clean facility because that generally translates to what type of repair they're going to do on your vehicle. Then there's also a few things to look for. ASE certification, that is a certification for the technicians working at that shop. Most reputable shop will have ASE certified technicians on their staff. You want to make sure that they have a technician certified in the area that your car needs repaired. But there's also some other things, and actually, in my opinion, a little bit better. There's a AAA certification. That's a certification for the facility itself. If you call the AAA hotline, you don't have to be a member. They will refer you to where there is a shop in your area. That certification is very hard to come by. The shop has to meet certain criteria where they come in and they interview 100 of your customers at random. They interview all your employees and they keep a list of your equipment and make sure that it's up to date. And then they do that on a quarterly basis. So if you can find a shop that's AAA certified, you're doing as good as you can in that area.